I'm going to show you how to find all accounts linked to your Gmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open up your browser and ensure that you're signed in if you're not. Then what you want to do is enter this URL. This is the URL to enter: https:/myaccount.google.com. I'm just going to copy it from here and paste it on my browser. I'm going to add the link to the description so you can use it also, or you can just enter it directly on your search bar. Click on enter. Then you'll be redirected to this page. What you want to do is come to this left menu here and click on security and sign in. Then scroll down and you see your linked apps. Keep track of your Google account data. So these are the accounts that are currently linked to my Gmail. I have 9 in total. If you want to see everything, you just click on see all linked apps. I'm going to click on that. And then I have it all listed out here. I have Allison, Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT, Cloud, and so on. Now, depending on what you want to do, you can click on any of these apps and then you see more details about the app. You can remove all links and stop sharing your Google account data with Allison. If I want to stop sharing my data with Allison, I just have to click on this, read through, and then confirm the delete. But I don't want to do that now, so I'm just going to cancel. Also, you can click on see details to get more information about your relationship with the app. So here I have sign in with Google. You use sign in with Google to sign into your Allison account. Google uses your name, email address, and profile picture to securely sign you in. So if you want to do anything, you can just do it from here. Stop using sign in with Google. I could just click on this, confirm, and go on. This is how you find all the account linked to your Gmail.